Hi everyone, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Videos. In this video, I will talk about the JOSA Counseling 2020 in which I will discuss how to do a good choice filling to get the best college for your corresponding rank. And I will discuss for all the category that is general, EWS, OBC, SC, ST and for all type of student varying between 50 to 99 percentile, that is from 30,000 to 3 lakh rank. And here I will discuss for both JEE Main as well as the JEE Advanced student. So watch this video till the end to get all the important information regarding the choice filling and JOSA Counseling 2020 completely. At the end of this video, I will talk about the how to upload document properly so as to do a good counseling and the document needed to participate in the counseling. So watch this video till the end, and if you have any doubt after watching this video, you can ask me in the comment section, and also on my Instagram I will provide the link in the description box. So let's start the today's video. Before starting this video, I request you to subscribe my channel if you are first to my channel, so you will so as to get the such type of information in future also. And for many such video on IIT, Triple IT, GFTI, check the I button as well as the description box. You will get cutoff for all the college, that is IIT, GFTI, NITs, Triple ITs on my channel. So let's start the today's video. Choice filling for the a student having 90 percentile to 95 percentile, or you can say 50,000 to 1 lakh rank for general category student. What should be the strategy to fill the choice I am discussing here? The first of all, you need to check last year cutoff for all the GFTI and triple ITs, as you have less chance for NIT. You can get NIT if you are belonging to the home state of lower NITs, that is NIT Agartala, NIT Silchar, NIT Sikkim and so on. So check the last year cutoff from anywhere. You can check the cutoff for all the GFTI and triple ITs on my channel. I will provide the link in the description box as well as the on the I button. So the first thing to check the last year cutoff and then try to fill approx all the triple ITs at top. So the choice filling at top should be all the triple ITs CSC branch, and before that at top you can put the NIT in which you are belonging to home state. So next you have to then all the other branch fill lower NIT and the NIT of home state you belong. As I have earlier said, the NIT in which you are belonging from home state, you can put that at the top because that is the first priority for you. The next is then fill all the GFTI, CSC, IT, EC first. This should be the order for any college. The CSC branch will be at the top, then IT and then EC. Then you can fill the core branch of that college if you are interested. The next, the order should be NIT, Triple IT and GFTI. The first at the top, the NIT that you belong from home state, then the Triple ITs and then the GFTIs. And the branch order should be, as I have earlier discussed, the CSC first, then IT, then EC, then all the core branch. So this is the choice filling strategy for the 90 to 95 percentile or 50 to 1 lakh rank a student belonging to general category. Now here is one more thing, fill the home state college in the middle, because it is more likely that you will get the home state, because home state cutoff goes to higher rank, so you will get it easily, or you can say you will get it till the last round. So fill it in the middle so that you can get this, and thereafter you can go for next round so that you can get the better college or that college also. So the next, at the top, fill the college and branch which is unlikely to get. That means that you think you can't get. Suppose if you have a 50,000 rank and the cutoff for that college goes to only 25,000 rank. So put that you may get it till the last round or the on or in the spot round. So you should fill that college at the top which you are thinking that I can't get that college. If the scenario changes and you will get this is better for you, so fill that college at the top. Next is 95 to 99 percentile general category. You have a bright chance to get NIT, and you will get CS if you belong to from home state, and you have a percentile range between 95 to 99 and you belong from general category. So try to fill all the 32 NIT, almost all the branch in which you are interested. If you don't interested in the branch, you don't fill, because if you get that branch you have to get admission in that branch and you don't interested, so you will find it very difficult to study for all the 4 years. So try to fill that branch only which in you are interested. So the next would be all the 25 IIT CS branch should be up, then EC, then IT and then EC. Next is no need to fill GFTI because you will get an IT or triple IT surely. But if you think you you like most of the top GFTI, you can fill the top GFTI in the bottom so that you will get first then you can go for further round for NIT or IIT, NIT or triple ITs. So the branch order remains same. As I have earlier discussed, the branch order should be remain same for all the students who are going to participate in the JOSA counseling. So the next, for the JEE advanced student, for the rank 10,000 to 20,000 rank. For reserved category, there is a good chance if you are belonging from SC, ST, OBC, you have a chance to get IIT on even 10 to 20,000 rank. So fill all the IIT, almost all the branch. You will get the core branch finally, but try to fill all the branch if possible. Branch order CSC, ITEC, then core branch, that is remains same. And for general EWS or female, you have also a chance to get IITs. So fill similarly. And for general category, core branch in lower IIT. For if you are belonging from general category and you have a rank between 10,000 to 20,000 in JEE advanced, then you have a chance to get core branch in the lower IITs, that is triple I, that is IIT Tirupati or IIT Mandi or any lower IITs. So the next is, so fill core branch of all the IITs because you can't get the CS in IITs. So fill the core branch and if possible fill the CS of the lower IIT at the top. And the branch order will remain same as of earlier. Next is for JEE advanced under 10,000 rank. If you have a rank under 10,000, you have a very bright chance to get a IIT. Surely you will get a IIT seat, but you will get a IIT for sure. And so fill all the IIT in a specified order. That means the order in which the IIT belong. The top, that is top the IIT Madras, second is IIT Bombay. In this order you have to fill all the branches. And for reserve category, CS or IT is possible. If you belong from reserve category, it is SC, ST or OBC, you have a chance to get CS or IT in the IITs. But for general, CS is less possible. For general categories, you need to score under 6,000 rank to get a CS in the IITs. So general category female have a chance to get CS or IT or AC because female category rank goes to higher rank for the corresponding branch. So the next is for 50 to 90 percentile reserved category, that is SC, ST, OBC or EWS category, that is for JEE main candidate. Here first step is same for all the student, that you have to check the last year cutoff and analyze your rank which you are getting and which college you are getting, so as to fill accordingly. And next, fill all the 32 NIT at top in a specified order, because you may get any NIT because you belong from the reserved category. Then fill all the 25 IIT and then all the 30 GFTIs, and the branch order will remain same as of earlier, that is CSC, then IT, then EC, then all the core branches. Try to wait till last round until you don't get the deserved seat. So my advice to all the students, that you don't get frustrated for the round, you have to wait till last round so that you will get the best college for your corresponding rank. Next is for 50 to 99 percentile, sorry, for 50 to 90 percentile general category. You don't, for this category, this range, if you are belong from general category, then there is very less chance to get NIT until you belong from home state. If you are belonging from home state of lower NIT, you may get any core branch in that NIT, but otherwise there is very less chance. So try to fill the NIT with home state at top. That means the NIT in which you are belonging from home state, put that NIT at top. That is because this is the first priority for you to get NIT. Next is then almost all the triple ITs, all branch, and then all the GFTIs, and the branch order will remain same as of earlier, and rearrange it if needed after first or second mock allotment. It means you have to check the mock allotment result properly so as to rearrange or refill the choice accordingly. Next is for 90 to 95 reserved category. If you are belonging from this range, you have a chance to get NIT, and if you are belonging from OBC category, then you can get a core branch in lower NITs. So fill almost all the 32 NIT with home state should be in middle, because with home state you can get easily, so put that in the middle so that you can go for next round, so that you will get the more better college for your rank. Then all the 25 IITs and then all the 30 IITs, and branch order will remain same. Next is 95 to 99 reserve category. If you are belonging from this, you have a very good chance. That means you will get surely a good NIT if you are belonging from this range. And so fill all the NIT CS branch of NIT. Your first priority should be this. So put the CS of all the NIT at the top and other branch thereafter. So all the triple ITs also CS after the NIT, and then all the GFTI CS, and the branch order will remain same: CS, EC, IT, and then core branch. So the next is the important thing, that is how to upload or verify the document properly. In order to have a good counseling, you have to upload all the document properly in the specified range. So check my last video on JOSA counseling, where I have told about all the document you need to have in order to do the counseling. So check out the last video. I will provide the link in the description box or in the I button. Then scan all the document in prescribed range that you will find on the website, that how much DPI in how much MB or KB you have to scan, and then upload all the document, and thereafter check if it was rejected or approved. If it is rejected, then they will give the reason and you have to re-upload it after correction. And if it is approved, then no need to worry, you will get the counseling completely. So this is about the JOSA counseling choice filling and verifying the document. Hope you find this video useful, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel so that you will get such type of information in future also. And if you have any doubt, do ask in the comment section or on my Instagram, and like this video and also share this video to your friends. Thanks.